What are proposed works? Proposed works are building works either voted by owners or essential repair. Property factors are there to ensure all funds are in place before instructing a contractor. Funds are held in secure client accounts. If the works were under the terms of the title deeds, all have a legal obligation to pay, whether they agreed or not. If the works are essential, all have a legal obligation to pay to ensure the building is kept wind and watertight. In either circumstances, failure to pay can cause frustration or distress to fellow owners. It is the job of a factor to facilitate repairs, not fund them. Homeowner funds are essential. Works cannot proceed without them. One owner cannot decide to opt out. Prompt payments ensure timely repairs and can often prevent a fault becoming even more expensive. Indigo Square, your friendly, reliable property factor.